We're going to take a look at how we set up an artboard on Adobe Illustrator. If we have a file that we're already working in, we can always go to the open. But if we want to create a brand new file, we're going to click on New File and get a screen that looks like this. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add a title to this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our username in for the start of our title. The reason is when you send this project, say over to our laser, the only thing that pops up is basically the first word in that title. Now, if everybody labels their stuff lake map or project, you're not going to be able to tell whose is whose. So that's why we always want to put our usernames first. So I'm just going to put W seminar and then test. Next thing we're going to look at, right now it's in points. We want to switch this to inches. So you see that the width and the height, our width is 1.2, our height is a 1.6. We want to switch these to whatever size our art or whatever size our material is. So say if we want to laser engrave on a 4x4 inch piece of wood, we're going to make our artboard 4x4 inch. If we have a piece of fabric that we want to cut out, we're gonna set up our artboard whatever size that fabric is. So let's say we have a 4x4 inch piece. Margins right here you don't have to worry about. You don't have to worry about the color mode, raster effects, or preview mode yet. So after that, we're just going to hit create. It brings up our artboard here. All the white space, that is what the printer sees. So when you send this project over to one of our printers, say it might be the vinyl cutter, the laser engraver, the printer cutter, whatever is in the white space is what that printer is going to see. If it's in the gray space, the printer will not see it. So if you want to have multiple things, maybe you're testing out what you want to see on your project and you don't want to print out, I don't know, say a version of your logo, we'll just put it off in the gray space and it won't see it. If we look over here, this is our toolbar. Okay, this is where we have all our different tools. This is all our tabs over here. We have our properties and our layers tab. Those are going to be the two most important. And before you get started, what you always want to do, you're going to click on this button here. This is the switch workspace. And you want to make sure you're running in Essentials Classic. It actually adds a tab up here that's going to help us out later. Then once you get these steps done, then you're ready to start working.